Hong Kong has an impressive number of organisations for women. The Women's Commission, shelters for abused women, women's health centres and concern groups and so on. The question raised in LegCo this week was, where does that leave men?
On Tuesday, representatives of various men's groups went to the Equal Opportunities Commission to make an official complaint that men are discriminated against in society. In the past, women were viewed as a disadvantaged group. Now, men say that they also need support.
呢一次呢，我哋係直接投訴特區政府。以往我哋都約見相關嘅局長作出投訴。 政府咧就表示個態度咧係模棱兩可，亦都冇咧係正式咧係接納我哋嘅提議咧去改政策。男士非鐵漢，男士非鐵漢，失意須扶持，失意須扶持，有苦自己知，有苦自己知，政府要關注，政府要關注。
The following day, the group used bitter melons to demonstrate outside the LegCo building, symbolising men's bitter lives. In the chamber, legislator Wong Bok Hing was tabling a motion requesting that the government provide support services for men. According to some indicators, in all ages and groups, Hong Kong men have a higher unemployment rate than women.
呢度20幾份工啦，我諗都係得唔超過10份係啱啲男士。 再培訓嗰啲課程都係家務助理啊、陪月員啊，嗰啲大部分都係幫助啲女士多啲咯。我哋啲中年男士係比較差啲咯。
Ah Kwong has been looking for a job for 4 months. He says that even for some gender-neutral, low-skilled jobs, employers prefer to employ women.
上個月見到一單呢，係啲有機農場咧請洗芽菜嘅，我打電話去，佢就話。 啊，先生啊，唔好意思啊，我哋呢度咧都係大部分請女士多過，我覺得係男士唔係咁方便嚟做咯。我覺得梗係好差啦，心情。咁樣你即係好似講到明係排斥我哋啲男士啫。
Men and women face many of the same difficulties and pressures in finance, health, marriage and family role. But unlike the situation for women's problems, the government doesn't have any policies specifically targeting men's needs. The LegCo motion passed. All the same, government officials said they have no intention of establishing a men's commission and think that the present services are open to both genders and treat them equally.
I try not to blame the government. The overall public are not that sensitive to the changing context that the men are facing, and therefore tend to be neglecting the emergent needs and problems faced by the men.
Lai Wai-lun is the supervisor of the Caritas Personal Growth Centre for Men. Starting from 1996, he helped to form about 20 self-help groups for men in different districts. He says that many men are facing more pressure in their family roles, and they're also less likely to talk to others about their problems. In recent years, as the government has promoted integrated services for individual communities, services for men have been viewed as low priority. Last year, Hong Kong Christian Services started to provide help for men in Tin Soi Wai.
天水圍北呢度啊，得4條村搞活動咧，應該冇一男士活動多咯。尤其是區議員嗰啲搞活動啊，啲係全部女性多，同埋老人家活動多。 中年人士太少咯，咁譬如搞啲爬山啊、郊遊爬山嗰啲啊、踩單車活動啊、去郊遊樂啊、燒烤啲活動都好好㗎，對男士都好有益㗎。
我哋啲服務即係社會服務單位咧入邊，可能我哋都會有啲即係比較柔和啲嘅設計啊、粉色嘅設計啊，放啲輕音樂啊咁樣樣咧。對於嗰啲即係可能係比較剛強啲嘅。 硬班班啲嘅男士咧，去進入到嗰啲地方，其實覺得好有啲唔自在嘅。作為服務嘅提供者咧，我哋覺得我哋應該咧去諗一啲方法，點樣去鼓勵佢哋去參與返個服務。
There are also complaints that existing policies are biased towards women. Many say that in marriage disputes, social workers automatically take the women's side. In government statements and in the media, men are depicted as being the problem. At present, social workers are mostly female.
男嘅好簡單啫，你好閒啫， 日飲啊酒啊嗰樣都呢個唔係大嘅，不過你唔好飲咁多。喺女社工個心目中嚟講咧，你已經係唔好啦。
So what I propose is not just a kind of awareness training to educate the social workers to be that they have to be sensitive to the men's needs, but all the social workers to be they have to be sensitive of the needs and problems of both gender, and they have to abandon all kinds of gender stereotypings.
In response to the complaint, a spokesman from the Equal Opportunities Commission says that the Commission will study whether there are incidents that contravene the Ordinance Against Sex Discrimination. It's also planning to conduct social research on the issue.